Welcome to the Scoring Scale tutorial movie. This movie will help you understand the scoring scale and will also provide you with tips to help you score yourself and others. The scale is based on how frequently skills or behaviors are being used or how often they are being observed by others. The scale range is between 1 and 6, with 1 representing never and 6 representing always. The midpoint on the scale is represented by 3 and 4, representing things that are happening or being observed sometimes. For things that are happening or being observed less often, use a score of a 3 or a 2. For things that are happening or being observed more often, use a score of a 4 or a 5. Now that you're getting the hang of it, let's walk through a couple of practical examples. Let's say that we're a manager named Billy, and we're about to score ourselves on one of the communication questions. I speak clearly and concisely, allowing myself to be understood. A simple way to use the scale is to insert the ranges while considering the question to generate your score. For example, do I never speak clearly and concisely? Do I sometimes speak clearly or concisely? Or do I always speak clearly and concisely? And if you're in the sometimes range, you'll have to determine whether this is something that's happening less often or more often. Billy concluded that he wasn't communicating clearly and concisely often enough, and so he scored himself a 3 in this area. See, it's pretty simple and straightforward, and you can use this same approach when you're scoring someone else. But what if you feel like you can't accurately assess someone's performance in a particular area? In this case, you can use the Can't Score option by selecting the radio button on the far right. Using the Can't Score option will not negatively affect the person's score. But remember, avoiding giving somebody a lower score by using the Can't Score option is not the right approach to scoring. To learn more about PeopleScore's programs and processes, please go to peoplescore.com/questions-tutorials.